If you see this light permanently displayed in the instrument cluster, it indicates that your front fog lights are in the on position. If you wish to turn the fog lights off, simply press this button next to the headlight controls. Please note that in order for the fog lamps to illuminate, the parking lights or low beam headlights must also be switched on. Every BMW is equipped with dynamic stability control, a system that automatically intervenes in oversteer and understeer situations to help stabilize the car and get it back on the driver's intended path. If this indicator lamp flashes while driving, it indicates that DSC has engaged in order to assist the driver. If the indicator lamp remains permanently displayed, it indicates that DSC has failed and is not available to aid the driver. If this occurs, contact the nearest BMW center right away to schedule a service appointment. If these two lights illuminate at any time while the vehicle is on, this is an indication that the quality of the vehicle's emissions are deteriorating. Contact the nearest BMW center right away to schedule a service appointment. If this warning lamp flashes, it indicates that there is excessive misfiring in the engine. Reduce your vehicle speed and contact the nearest BMW center to have the system checked immediately. Failure to do so can cause significant damage to the emission control components, in particular the catalytic converter. If you notice this icon illuminated in the instrument cluster, it indicates service is required. The remaining driving distance and date of the next scheduled service are displayed briefly after the ignition is switched on or the engine is started. If you notice this icon illuminated in the instrument cluster, it indicates your oil is at a minimum level or below the amount required. Add a maximum quantity of 1 liter of engine oil at the next opportunity, or contact your preferred BMW center to schedule a service appointment.